Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure you have administrator access. This ensures GeForce can modify game entries. Once done, open GeForce Experience and wait for the UI to load so the library is accessible. Make sure other overlays or launchers are closed because they can lock files or block detection. You're not just opening the app, you're preparing the environment so removal will complete cleanly and without permission errors or lingering processes. You now navigate into the Games tab and find the specific title you want gone. This is where GeForce lists scanned games. Once selected, use the contextual three-dot menu or right-click to reveal removal options. Choose Remove from Library to stop GeForce from tracking it, or choose Uninstall if you want the game files removed. Note that uninstall may call the game's uninstaller. If GeForce can't uninstall, removing from library still clears overlays and captures. Finish by confirming the action and restarting GeForce Experience so the change propagates across the UI. If files remain, manually delete the game's installation folder from Program Files or your chosen drive. This prevents redetection. If GeForce still lists the game, clear the app cache and trigger a library rescan. That forces a fresh inventory. Troubleshooting tip. If removal fails repeatedly, run GeForce as administrator and temporarily disable antivirus. Security software can block file removal and detection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.